Servus my motorbike friends. Today's video is named When Gunship Meets Cruiseship. We are talking about two very rare motorcycles. Each model year Harley-Davidson selects 3 model lines and throws everything from the parts and accessory catalog upon them, gives them a special paint and then sells them in limited numbers for just 1 year. Here we have 2018 Road Glide CVO in Gunship Grey and 2019 Road Glide CVO in Red Pepper and Industrial Grey colors. Two really big cruisers, more than 400 kilograms, so for a special way of relaxed cruising, I would say, with all the bells and whistles. All CVOs get the biggest engine that is available in the model year, the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8. That everybody knows it, it's written on all different placards and housings. In addition, those engines have a special engine paint to distinguish them from the others and also to give them a more exclusive look. These screws had already been changed by aftermarket ones. A fun fact, one colleague once said, "Well honey, I want to buy a CVO because then I have nothing to change thereafter." Not true. Here the pipes have been changed to pencil automatic exhaust. As well on this one, however, here we have the stock end caps on the pencil exhaust. Yeah, discussing with your wife about if it's necessary to have a bike like this, forget it. It's not necessary, but you can start even at a 2,000 euro used bike. It's as well not necessary, but this is just pure fun. Look on the nice CVO console and the instrumentation. The heated grips are not stock. We retrofitted them. The Gunship already has an aftermarket bar, a little bit higher slide ape hanger. And the Cruiseship still has the stock handlebar. You see a big difference between 18 and 19 model year, the new Harley infotainment system. Quite an improvement, and both model years still have the side fairing vents that can be closed if it's getting cold. The Gunship has a unique bar and shield logo on the fuel tank. However, the Cruiseship has a nice paint job. That's not a decal, it's really painted. Must have taken quite a long. Unique to both is the chopped engine guard, and unique to the Gunship, the front 21-inch wheel in Gunship Grey as well, with the black stripes. So the Cruiseship just has a regular 21-inch black wheel that fits more to the high-end paint job. Every single emblem is changed into custom vehicle operations to make sure that everybody realizes that's not a normal stock Harley. The silhouette is pretty unique. The fixed fairing is known to Harley for more than 20 years. However, more popular is the handlebar mounted fairing. But as I mentioned, we cannot discuss about style. Either you love it or you hate it. Unique For all CVOs, the rear fender with the integrated turn signals and rear lamps. And what has been changed to the 2019 model year is the fairing spoiler, reaching from the fairing down to the oil cooler. But now let's stop talking, let's start riding. We took our two gunships or ships on a nice tour south of Munich, joined by 3 other friends, and enjoyed the beautiful scenery. As it was a Sunday, many others enjoyed the beautiful scenery as well, but it's not a problem. On a Harley you love to cruise and not to speed. And okay, let's see how our ships are performing in the river crossing. No, we don't spoil our bikes just to get some more clicks on YouTube. We had a nice break with some non-alcoholic beer, and after enjoying the nice quiet river and the non-alcoholic beer, we continued our trip along the Alps. Lean angle is pretty good on those big cruisers. However, it was definitely improved by the upgrade to the Wilbers LDC suspension, which we put on both CVOs right away. The CVOs are always the all-in option from Harley, so you're gonna take all or nothing. The Road Glide CVO has a 600 watt stereo system. In my opinion, nobody needs it because the wind noise is too loud and I don't want to be the DJ of the whole village, but nevertheless, it's in there. When the 7th fleet is on a cruise, handling is not the top priority. So the carrier group always consists of an aircraft carrier, obviously, some light cruisers and some other heavy ships. And it's still a lot of fun going with the fleet on a cruise. So seeing the gunship and the mentioned light cruisers. Very agile, those kind of cruising. We had a wonderful trip, several hours around the southern area of Munich, and had some nice stops in between and a beautiful day. While we are saying goodbye with the 2018 and 2019 model, let's see what's new on the 2020 Road Glide CVO, which was presented as a mid-year model release, only available in this single color, like a little grayish white with a nice bronze accents on the fork, on the wheels, and as well on many engine parts. So quite nice as well. Only a very few other things had been changed to the year 2020 model year. New is the RDRS system, kind of cornering ABS, and now stock the heated grips. Tank console is a little bit different, and the floorboards as well. This customer opted for a Jekyll and Hyde exhaust. Note the red rings, the adapters, making it possible to fit the stock caps. and the floorboards had been changed as well. If you don't like the styler or the color, don't worry. It's already sold out, and as I mentioned, you will hardly see one while you're cruising. Another unique feature of the Road Glide CVO, even while sitting in the garage, you can have a lot of fun with it.
Aber eigentlich wäre es so ganz cool, ehrlich gesagt.
Dann machen wir jetzt einen.
Ja, machen wir, weil das ist echt geil. Das ist wirklich geil.
3, 2, 1, Zündung.
Falsche Knopf, Entschuldigung.
Aber gut.